Oh man, it's been so long since I had a vacation. We definitely needed this, right, MK?
Oh, totally, Garu. We both needed this. It's been so long since I've been on the beach. Especially after, all the stuff that's been happening with, villains, the world being at stake. That whole thing.
Yeah, I know. But here we are. Finally on vacation, and I got a little surprise for you.
Oh, surprises? Oh, I love surprises. What is it? Come on, tell me.
Hold on, MK. I will. Better yet, I'll show you. Close your eyes.
Oh, it's that type of surprise. Okay. I'll close my eyes. I won't peek. No promises.
MK.
Okay, I won't peek. Okay, my eyes are closed. Do I have to hold out my hand or something like that? Or, what do I gotta do?
Just hold on to my shoulder, MK. And no peeking. I mean it. Now, I'm gonna lead you to where the surprise is. Stay close with me, okay?
Okay, you'll lead me to the surprise. Hand on your shoulder, eyes closed, no peeking, for now. Okay, lead the way, Garu. Try not to walk too fast, please.
No promises, MK. Alright, let's get going. Alright, MK. We're at the surprise. You can open your eyes now.
Yes! Okay. 1, 2, 3. Whoa! Garu, you bought us a beach house? Holy crap! This place is big! No way you literally bought this for us.
Yes, I did buy this for us, MK. After all, I figured we need a little bit of luxury to go for our beach vacation.
Dang, Garu. How luxury are we talking here, though?
You'll see when we get inside, MK. Now, come on. Let's see how the interior looks.
All right, let's do this. Whoa! Garu, look at the living room. Holy cow! And there's a bar, too? Holy cow! And look at the kitchen! And look at that TV! Oh my god, imagine all the movies and video games we can play in here! Holy crap!
So, is this luxury enough for you?
Oh, this is more than luxury, Garu. This is paradise! Let's check out the second floor!
Alright, MK. Lead the way. Oh, this is beautiful. Wow. Oh, MK, check out the master bedroom.
Whoa, this master bedroom looks nice. Very fancy. Oh, look at the bed. Oh, it looks so comfortable. I want to get in it right now. Please, I want to get it right now.
Go on, MK. I'm not stopping you.
Yes! Okay, here comes Monkey Kid! Oh man, this is comfortable. Woo! Garu, you gotta get in here. Please, come on!
Alright, MK. I'm coming in. Oh wow, this is pretty comfortable, MK.
Told you, Garu. Now, what should we do for the time being?
Good question. How about we look around the place a bit more? Then, I have a small idea we can do when night hits.
Alright, Garu. Sounds like a plan. So this was your plan. You wanted to go skinny dipping?
Yeah, thought it would be nice. especially since it's nice and cool outside. Sand's not as hot as it used to be. And besides, who wouldn't want to go skinny dipping at night?
Fair point, but what if someone catches us? You know, maybe a ranger or some sort of, authority that could possibly, put a fine on us?
MK, no ranger or sort of authority is going to fine us. We're on private property. We'll be fine.
Okay, I hope you're right. Well, let's get in the water. Yeah! Oh man, you're right, Garu. It does feel nice. I miss being in the water so much. This feels like a relaxing spa, but out in the open, and I'm naked. So, that's 3 things in one, I guess.
You can say that again, MK. You know what? We should really hang out more. Outside of Pigsy's Noodles.
We really should. You're so fun to hang out with. Besides, if you're gonna do anything like this again, I'd be down to do it.
I wouldn't mind that at all, MK. I'm glad I get to hang out with you. Besides, it's fun.
Thanks, Garu.
Of course, MK.
Holy fuck. I forgot you're good at doing cunnilingus.
Guilty as charged. You want to turn with me?
Oh, yes, please.
Have at me, MK.
You taste so good, Garu. Yes, I can. So sweet, my pussy. Yes, baby, right there. Eat me. Eat all of me. Yes.
Holy fuck, MK. You got better at that. Or is it just me?
Am I really getting better? Wow. I feel like I learned a lot of it from you. Honestly, I can't blame you. You ate me out like I'm your last meal.
Alright, MK, don't get cocky now. Just because you're getting better at eating me out doesn't mean I can still dominate you out here.
Is that a challenge?
Damn right it's a challenge. I'll make you squirt all over me like a fire hose.
Oh, fuck. Okay, you and Garu.
That's what I thought. Now, be a good boy and spread those legs for me.
Yes, Garu.
Okay.
It feels so good when you eat my pussy.
Wet for me.
Rub harder. Rub harder.
Okay.
Baby.
Yes. So funny. Baby. Yes.
Garu.
Yes.
So
Fuck. Okay.
so wet for you.
Yeah.
Garu. Fuck. Garu. You come.
Yes, let it out for me.
Garu,
Let it out for me.
I'm
Okay.
gonna
Yes. Be a good boy. Let it out for me. Yes.
Please let me come. Please let me come. Please let me come. Please let me come. Please.
Yes. Come on, baby. Let it out. Let me feel. Let me feel. Move you, baby. Yes.
Holy shit, Garu. I don't think I came that much before.
Yeah. Holy fuck. I don't think I came that much either before. We really need to do that more often. That was the best sex ever.
Yeah, I agree. And to be honest, doing that out in the open was not that bad.
Totally would do that again. And I would do it right along with you.
Aw, Garu. You're such a sweet talker.
Guilty as charged.